Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 9 seed Old Harbour High up against the number 56 seed Maggotty High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Old Harbour High School is represented today by team captain Stallone Francis, Siobhan Gordon, Nikolai Ashley, and Dujane Jordan. And Maggotty High is represented by Shantoy Campbell, Leonor Swaby, Kimberly Robinson, and team captain Tadre Vernon. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 5th match here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Manu, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Maggotty won and decided to go first. So we begin with Maggotty High School. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. Maggotty, Bible knowledge. For how many days did it rain to cause the flood in Noah's time?
40 days.
That's right. Bible knowledge for Old Harbour. On which mountain did Noah's Ark rest after the flood water subsided?
Mount Ararat.
Mount Ararat.
Correct. International affairs. A visual clue for Maggotty High. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Moon Jae-in.
That's right. South Korean president. International affairs for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. That's incorrect. Ram Nath Kovind, President of India. Biology for Maggotty. Which system supports the overall structure of the body and provides protection for some organs?
Skeletal system.
That's right. Biology for Old Harbour. What is the largest internal human organ by mass?
The liver.
That's right. Principles of business for Maggotty High. A PLC is an incorporated body. What does PLC stand for?
Private local company.
Public Limited Company. Principles of business for Old Harbour. What is the name of the legal document which gives a Jamaican company the right to go into operation?
Document of registration.
A certificate of incorporation. English language. Which figure of speech is demonstrated by imitation of a sound of the action described, such as hiss, honk, or meow?
Onomatopoeia.
That's right. English language for Old Harbour. What figure of speech is demonstrated by the repetition of sounds produced by vowels within a sentence or phrase?
Assonance.
That's right. Music and audio clue for Maggotty High. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Never sat by the shore under the sun with my feet in.
Under the sun.
Malibu by Miley Cyrus. Music and audio clue for Old Harbour. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Haters, don't let the only real one intimidate ya.
I'm the one.
By DJ Khaled et al. That's right. General knowledge for Maggotty. Sancocho is considered to be the national dish of which Caribbean country?
Dominican Republic.
That's right. General knowledge for Old Harbour. Konkan dumplings is considered to be the national dish of which Caribbean territory?
Saint Vincent.
St. Martin. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue for Maggotty. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Tahir Shahidi.
One more time.
Tahir Shahidi.
Okay, Yara Shahidi I have. Judges, theatre and cinema, a visual clue for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Jennifer Lopez.
Tracy Ellis Ross. Geography for Maggotty. Which Scottish city lies between the rivers Dee and Don?
Edinburgh.
Aberdeen. Geography for Old Harbour. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean?
Sicily. Sicily.
Is right. Sport or visual clue for Maggotty. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Draymond Green.
That's right. NBA. Sport or visual clue for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Wayne Brown.
Gary Irving. Chemistry for Maggotty. What is the chemical formula of methane?
Ethane, CH4.
CH4.
That's right. Chemistry, Old Harbour. What is the chemical formula of ammonia?
NH4. NH4. NH4.
NH3. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Old Harbour High on 5 points. Maggotty High taking the lead on 7 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Literature. The question is, in the novel The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, what is the name of Huck's father? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.